The goals of today will be to utilize the Skyward Family Access to lock in your course selections, ensure that all families get to register their students for the upcoming year, make scheduling more efficient with your help. So we would like for you to go to the school's website if you have not already and look at the curriculum guide for course descriptions and information about STEM Magnet and IB programs. Log into Skyward going through your student's portal, click on Skyward, and then log in with the student ID and password. If you go through your student's ID and using their password, it will open up the course selection a little faster. If you have multiple students and go through Family Access, it may have you go through a couple of things to get there. Once you're logged into Skyward, locate the Schedule tab, click on it, and then it'll take you to the course request for 2021-2022 in Sanford Middle School. Click on this hyperlink. For IB students only, pre-IB students from the Magnet Lottery will have their content and Spanish on their selected courses. If you are zoned and select to be an IB student, please leave your ELA, Social Studies, and Science class unselected. We will do it for you. Your content area classes will be on your schedule, like I've said before, but you will need to select your math. If you are in primes and choose to continue on that path, as in the curriculum guide, you would go to GEMS in middle school. If you are in primes and just choose to do gifted math or advanced math, that would be your selection to make. After that, you are going to choose your top electives. Electives are half a semester, so select up to 4 that are half a semester. If you select a chorus, band, or another year-long elective, that will take up 2 elective spots, and then you will have left 2 more electives to pick after that. For STEM Magnet students only, all electives will be available to you as well, but you will need to add your language arts, social studies, science, and math course to your schedule. You can choose from standard, advanced, and gifted sections of 6th grade, 7th grade, or 8th grade content area classes. Make sure when you are selecting your class that it does not have a U or an S after the numbers. Do not select a course if it has a U or an S after the numbers. Then you will select your electives. Select up to 6 electives that are 0.5, which means they're a semester. Add these to your schedule, selected courses schedule. Remember, if you select chorus or band, those are year-long, and then you will need to select 4 more electives after choosing a year-long one. Alternate requests. This is just in case we cannot fit the selected electives into your schedule due to your content area scheduling. So we will go to a student's alternate requests page and select from there. And maybe those classes would be available. So you're going to click on Request Alternates. Then you will see as you add the next 5 to 6 electives, you will see numbers appear. Please list between 3 to 4 elective choices that are after the ones that you really want to have. This is just in case the electives that you picked do not end up on your schedule and we have to see what the student wants besides that. If not, we will go to the paper document that we have and use that as our choice selection.